In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure Amazon account. We'll walk through updating your Amazon password the right way, with practical tips to make sure your account stays protected. Even if you've done this before, a careful refresh helps keep your information safe. Start by opening your web browser and going to www.amazon.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right for the menu labeled Account and Lists. Go ahead and click it. If you're not already signed in, Amazon will prompt you to log in first before you can continue. That's expected, and it ensures the security settings are only changed by you. After you're signed in, you'll land on your account area. Next, find and select Login and Security. This page is your control center for sensitive information like your name, email, phone number, and password. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place before making changes. Now locate the password section and click it. You'll see an Edit button on the right side. Click Edit to begin the update process. Amazon will ask for a few pieces of information in order. First, enter your current password. This confirms it's really you making the change. Then, create your new password. Aim for a strong, memorable option. Longer is better, ideally 12 characters or more, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A passphrase, several random words combined with a few numbers or symbols, can be both strong and easier to remember. Avoid reusing a password you've used anywhere else, and skip anything easy to guess like names, birthdays, or common phrases. If you use a password manager, this is a perfect time to generate a unique password and save it there. After typing the new password, re-enter it exactly the same way to confirm there are no typos. If there's a show or hide icon, you can briefly reveal what you typed to double-check accuracy. Make sure caps lock isn't on, and that you're typing in the correct language or keyboard layout. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Amazon may ask you to verify your identity, or may notify you that your password has been updated. Both are normal. You might be prompted to sign in again. That's simply an extra layer of protection. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation from Amazon so you can spot any unexpected activity quickly. From here, get in the habit of using only the official Amazon site or app to sign in, and be cautious with links in unsolicited messages. And that's it. Your Amazon account password is now updated and more secure. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to store that new password safely.